All right, now that we're neck deep in the solar install, I figured it was time to make a little clip. This is gonna be the basis of my setup. I've got 2 of these batteries, another one I haven't put in. I'll be able to rotate them sideways. A little 300 watt pure sine, because I'm anal about that sort of thing. Modified sine won't do. So yeah, we got the roof drop down, ready to pop a hole in the top here. Now if we come on up, boom. There's a 300 watt, 305 watt, can't forget the last 5 watts, sun power panel on the roof, and it is perfectly clearing. I mean, the wires are hanging down, but those brackets, I'll have to bend them to match the curve of the roof probably, but it is perfectly sitting off the roof with those little space offs, and got it shifted towards the back here. So I'll pop some holes in the corner, well, the corner of the roof, not the panel obviously, for the wires to come down in. Got these guys, nice little O-ring action going on there, and they'll grip onto the cable. These solar extension cables, I'll cut one end off so that, you know, they go through. And then yeah, I'll add my little charge controller over here to my power section. It's staining from a little leak I've got. I think it's this split here. So I'll have to order me another one of those. It's weird, it's only when I'm driving in the rain and the water comes off the lip and wraps back under. It's focusing in the wrong, there we go. Wraps back under and sits on top of the door that it comes in, but when it's parked and it's raining, it's fine, which is why it hasn't been such an issue. But yeah, this is a little side project from the Powerwall. So enjoy.